Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I congratulate Modbaria Online School. Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. Almighty of Allah and who save us COVID-19. Dear student, I am Joshimuddin, assistant teacher, Nurjan Memorial Secondary School, Modbaria, Pirizpur. Dear student, today's your topics: transformation of sentence, class 8, subject English second paper. Dear student, look at the black whiteboard and notice rules 1. These rules are transformation of sentence affirmative to negative. Dear student, only or alone are indicate any person. We use non-verb. Indicate any materials, animals and place. We used nothing but. It identity, number or time or age. We identity and replace not more than. We learn example such as only Allah can help us. Dear student, how can it say negative? Only replace none but Allah can help us. It is indicate any person. Second, he has only a ball. Says it negative, he has nothing but a ball. As only indicate a things, ball. So it says he has nothing but a ball. Third, Basit has 10 taka. It indicates any number, so it replaced only. We used not more than. Thus, Basit has not more than 10 taka. Second rule, must. Add any must affirmative sentence to says negative. How can it? Dear student, we must obey our parents. It says we cannot but obey our parents. We replace must and use cannot but. If cannot but, if we used cannot help, used cannot help. Dear student, if we used cannot help, we add main verb ing. So our second rules are we cannot help obeying our parents. Dear student, rules 3, both and. How can it transfer affirmative to negative? Dear student, we used both, replaced not only and replaced but also. Such as we clearly example. Dear student, both Mina and Bina were excited. If we say it negative, we replaced and used both and used not only Mina but also Bina were excited. We replaced and set up but also. Rule 4, everyone, everybody, every plus common noun, or all at sentence. How can transform form of negative? Dear student, look at blackboard and see. At first we replaced every and used there is no plus common noun plus but plus main verb are next, such as there is no mother but loves her child. Rules 5. As any sentence says affirmative to negative, we can at first as use not less and second as replaced than, such as Tuna was as beautiful as Tonu. Dear student, we replace and says negative. Tuna was not less beautiful than Tonu. Dear student, any problem? You comment my inbox. Dear student, rules 6. 2 how can say it negative? Dear student, we use to replace so and to replace that. We see a rules or shortcut: subject plus verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus first subject plus cannot or could not plus main verb to next. We are clear. Next example. He is too weak to walk. It says he is so weak that he cannot walk. It is present, so we used cannot. Second, Mina was too poor to buy a car. It says negative. Mina was so poor that she could not buy a car. I use pronoun Mina is noun. We use second subject or pronoun, and it was past, so we used could not. Rules 7. Any sentence are universal truth. How can it says negative? Dear student, any universal truth sentences are making them negative interrogative. If we say negative interrogative, we look at blackboard and easy to say. The sun set in the west. It says negative, does not the sun in the west. In the west. Dear student, past are 7 rules. Rules 8. Any superlative degree are says negative. At first, no other attached word plus verb plus as or so plus positive form plus as plus subject. Dear student, we are clearly an example. Dhaka is biggest city in Bangladesh. How can it say negative? At first, used no other. Used no other. Next, city in Bangladesh. City in Bangladesh. Verb is as. Positive form biggest are positive form big as Dhaka. Rules 9. Always at any sentence how can we say negative? Dear student, now is the blackboard. I always remember you. It says I never forget you. Always replaced never and never remember are negative word forget. So we are used these rules are correctly. Rules are 10. If any sentence affirmative and set up many, how can change it negative? Dear student, we use not a few. We say it negative. I have many friends. It says I have not a few friends. Or it says I do not have few friends. Dear student, the next class we also discuss other topics. We are also safe, home. We stay home and stay safe. We pray for me and wish your best luck. Goodbye.